Hi, I'm Greg Hagger from Greg's Bass Shed. In this lesson we're going to be looking at tenths. Now, tenths are thirds but an octave higher. So if I show you based on G, so we'll play G, 3rd fret of the E string. And to get the third, which is the third note of the scale, it's the B, which is the 2nd fret of the A string. So G, B. Now once we've got that B, we're going to play that an octave higher, 8 notes higher. So that's the B up there. We'll add the G on the bottom. That's our major 10th. When you play both together, it's called double stopping. That's basically a 2-note chord. So that's the major 10th. And to get the minor 10th, go through the same process, but we'll just play the minor 3rd instead. So the minor 3rd is a half step down, semitone down from the major. So we'll play G again, 3rd fret of the E string, and the minor 3rd is the B flat here. That's the 1st fret of the A string. So once we've got a B flat, play that up the octave again. That's the high B flat. And we'll play that with the G. So that's a minor 10th. So we've got major 10th, minor 10th, major 10th, minor 10th. So if you practice those two shapes, get really familiar with them and just try them anywhere on the fretboard. So say we'll try based on a D, so we'll play D9. So the D here is on the 10th fret, we'll play the E string and we'll play the 10th. So that's the major 10th and the minor 10th. Same anywhere. That's just a sequence based on tenths, so mixing up the major and minor tenths. So where do we use tenths? Well, the first bass line I can think of is Come Together by the Beatles. So that starts on a D. And this note here, that's actually the minor 10th. Minor 10th on a D. So not playing it as a double stop, but it's there. So you're actually starting on this D here, but so that's the minor 10th there, and it really gives that bass line its characteristic. Another place, The Chicken by Jaco Pastorius, if you know that. If you don't know it, give it a listen, it's fantastic. On the live version, he uses some tenths. So in the middle of the section, so the D7 to G7 to C7. So he steps down from the D7. So D, G, C. So basically that pattern. Now he puts the tenths in when he comes up from the G to the C. So he's just going G, A, B flat, B, C. So the frets, 3rd fret, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. And he's doing a sort of funky pattern. So first is a major 10th, minor 10th, minor 10th, minor 10th to the C. So the whole bit of that section is. And you can just use tenths as a lick within a bass line. So say we go from A, just a groove sort of from A to D. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've picked up some useful tips from the video. If there's anything you didn't understand, any questions, or you just want to leave some feedback, then please do so below in the comments section. Also, you can subscribe to my channel Got more videos on there, and I'll be putting new material on all the time. Thanks a lot. I'm Greg from Greg's Bass Shed.